Hey team, my 2-minute conviction today is as leaders, we should do for one what we wish we could do for everyone. I'm not sure if you're like me, but there are times where I wish I could spend more time with people, give more money to causes, be more available to my children. And then I get this pang of, but I can't sustain that. I can't do it for all of them. And it almost immobilizes me to doing it for any of them. But here's the principle: do for one what you wish you could do for everyone. Don't be afraid of it not being fair. Don't be afraid of it not being equal. Don't be afraid of setting a precedence that then requires you to fulfill obligations or set expectations around you that aren't sustainable. Do for one what you wish you could do for everyone. We have 4 kids at home, and we had a point in our world where whilst 3 of them wanted to play state level football, the reality is we couldn't be in 3 places at once. So rather than doing nothing for any of them, we said, well, we'll do for one what we wish we could do for all 3. And we gave one of them the opportunity, knowing in full time others will get that chance. At work, I'm in franchising, and the last thing you want to do is have inequality across your network in terms of the benefits and the services you provide. But sometimes you're challenged with this idea. I am challenged with this idea. I should do for one what I wish I could do for everyone. And let go of the idea that I'm establishing an unsustainable precedence. Be generous, be available, be involved, be engaged. Even if you can't do it for everyone, do it for someone. In the world of poverty and disadvantage, we can't fix everything. We can't help everyone. But let's give some time, give some money, give some support to someone, because do for one what you wish you could do for everyone. And in the process, you're modeling the opportunity for others. You're setting an example. Hopefully, more will follow what you do, and the leverage and the scale of impact will grow as others do for one what you could never have done for everyone. So there's my 2-minute conviction. Do for one what you wish you could do for everyone this week. Look for opportunities at home, at work, and in the community. Bless others as you are blessed. Have a great week.